Hey there, and welcome to Rumble Studio. Today, I'm going to show you how you can use Rumble Studio and connect it to your preferred streaming software. So if you have a really complex setup, for example, through OBS, you can use Rumble Studio as essentially Restream. So the first thing you want to do is go to studio.rumble.com and toggle over here on the far left to your settings. And then you'll select Manage Destination. Here, you'll want to make a connection to any of your destinations in which you want to live stream out to. Once that's done, you'll select the home icon, and we'll go ahead and start a stream now. You can choose from an already existing template, or you can create one from scratch. You'll give your stream a title, you'll choose your destinations, and then we'll enter Studio. Once you're here, you'll want to toggle to the Manage Participants tab. Then you'll select Ingresses, and we'll create a new ingress. The type will be RTMP, and I like to call it whatever the streaming software is that I'll be using. So in this case, we'll call it OBS. This will then give you the ingress information. So now we'll toggle over to OBS, and we'll select Settings and Stream. And we'll make sure that we update the URL, which is already here for me. And then we'll go ahead and update the key. When that's done, you'll see here that it says waiting for stream. To connect OBS, you'll want to start your stream in OBS. And now you'll see it changes from waiting to active. And if you click off, you'll see now that it has added as a participant in the lower left-hand corner. To get this to display on your screen, you'll want to select Solo. Now, because I like to listen to my monitoring output in OBS, you can also hear the monitor output in Rumble Studio. So you can pick and choose where you want your audio input to come from. So if you want it to come directly from OBS, I would recommend muting your tab for Rumble Studio so that you don't also hear yourself in Rumble Studio. Now, when you're ready to go live in Rumble Studio, you'll go ahead and select the live button in the top left-hand corner. It'll ask you to confirm your destinations. The connection will be made. And now you're live. Now, whenever I'm ready to change a scene or go through any of my setup in OBS, all you have to do is make these transitions within your OBS software or your preferred streaming software. And then you'll see those changes appear within Rumble Studio. This allows you to use all of the features of Rumble Studio, such as accessing our themes and overlays, or even our new campaign feature. When you're done with your stream, you can select End Stream in Rumble Studio. And when you're ready to disconnect OBS, stop streaming in OBS. And when you're finally done with your stream, you'll select Wrap Up and Leave. And that's it. That's all you need to know to start live streaming with OBS or any software of your choosing into Rumble Studio. Thanks for watching.